Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz March 1st in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click claim your daily reward. Here you see I got 82 gems. Now click on missions, click on daily quiz, click on start quiz. Here you see March 1st a question and total 4 options, in which one option is the correct option and I will provide you the correct option. Option number 4, which is proof of democracy, is the correct option. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see I got 100 gems as a correct option. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.